Hi there, this is Dennis from Apphud, and today I'm going to show you how to create a paywall screen in Apphud from Figma Design. First, click the Duplicate Figma Sites project button. The Figma Sites sample project will open. It contains dozens of paywall designs you can choose from. It also contains documentation on how to edit and set up your paywall. Please read it carefully. Click the Duplicates to your draft button. The project will be copied to your workspace and opened. Now, feel free to choose and edit any template. Again, make sure to read the documentation inside the file to see how everything works. Please note that you must have a paid Figma seat to edit and publish the website. Once you're ready, click the Publish button and wait while your site is being published. After that, copy the link to your paywall for the default locale and return to Apphud. Enter the name of your screen and paste the copied link into the text field. If you have more than one localization, paste the link for each locale you want to add. And finally, click Create Screen. As you can see, the screen is now created and added to the Screens section. Now it's time to connect it to your paywall. Go to Product Hub and select your paywall. Open the paywall editing page and select the screen you just created. For each product, set the macro values. By tapping the Preview button, you can see what the paywall will look like with the replaced macro values. Once ready, click Save Changes and your screen will be connected to the paywall. Finally, check out our developer docs to see how to prepare your app to use Paywall Screens. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team. Thank you and have a great day!